LCM of two whole numbers. One of those tasks you could be given is to find the LCM of two numbers. In order to do this, you have to know the multiples of those numbers and find the first one they have in common, which would be their lowest common multiple. Let's take an example. Example, find the LCM of 6 and 8. In order to find the LCM of 6 and 8, we have to write out their multiples. So multiples of 6 and multiples of 8. Now, do not forget that when you write the multiples of a number, these are a list of numbers that does not have any end. They go on forever. But since the task is to find the lowest they have in common, as soon as I see that I have gotten one of them in common, I do not need to proceed by writing all the other multiples. So let's first write the multiples of 6. In the multiples of 6, you have 6, 12, 18, 24, and on like that. Then when I do for 8, we would get 8, 16, 24. You can already see that they have a number in common now. That is, the first multiple they have in common is 24. If you continue, you will still see other numbers that they have in common. But in this case, the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8 would be 24. Now let's try for 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3. So our solution we have 2 and then 3. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. For 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. Of these that I've already written, you can find that their common multiples are are 6 and 12. Now we have 6 and 12 in common. But of these two numbers, which is the lowest? That is 6. That is LCM of 2 and 3 equals 6. Now try this with two numbers by listing their multiples and finding their first common multiple. Thank you.